How to display real-time network speed indicator on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, what you have to do is just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and then tap on notifications and control center. Then scroll down again and tap on the status bar option at the bottom. So here you'll be able to see the option of show notification speed over here. So as you can see in the very top of the screen, you can see no connection speed or no network speed indicated right now. So now to enable this option, all you have to do is just toggle this on, and here you'll be able to see the connection speed and the real-time network speed indicator. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.